Have you ever wanted to create your own fantasy sports site, but the thought of spending months or even years working with developers, not to mention the tens of thousands of dollars to make it all happen, has simply prevented you from getting started? Or maybe you've been playing with the idea of creating your own fantasy site, but don't know where to start, and frankly, you feel somewhat overwhelmed. We've been there too. There's nothing more disappointing than having spent months, even years, creating and refining a product that you believe in, only to then put it up online and have it gather dust when no one is interested. Or you do some research into site creation and give up at the first hurdle because you lack the confidence to move forward. You feel like you failed, and the seeds of doubt begin to grow in your mind as you question the value of your vision and whether the whole messy exercise has just been a waste of your precious time and a huge pit of money. Unfortunately, there just hasn't been a quick and easy alternative to employing expensive developers that seem to take forever to make your fantasy sports site a reality. And the big problem with this option is that they are ridiculously expensive, with many developers demanding between $18,000 and $30,000. If you're just starting out and you aren't making any money yet, forking out this kind of cash is just not an option. That's why now, right now, I am delighted to share with you the ultimate fantasy sports plugin called FanVictor that is capable of building a fantasy sport website in minutes, not months or years. This feature alone puts you years ahead of the competition. I know that may sound unbelievable, but in a moment, you'll see how it all works, so just keep watching. Here at fanvictor.com, we have a strong reputation for following best practices in the industry. We've been developing fantasy sports games for our clients for over 6 years. And our new FanVictor plugin means that for a small monthly fee, you get the ultimate fantasy sports plugin and membership package that includes access to all the schedules for all supported sports, all game data including odds and results, and even detailed information like individual player stats, all backed by a 24/7 email support team of specialist developers. The one thing that makes FanVictor plugin totally unique, it's completely automated, so you can concentrate on promotion and marketing while we do all the heavy lifting for you. Let me show you exactly how FanVictor plugin works. After you've installed it on your theme, you simply choose which sports you wish to support, and then select what rake percentage you'd like to earn. It really is that easy. This plugin gives you VIP access to the only fantasy site building tool that's newbie friendly and ultra quick to implement. What Forbes magazine calls the $70 billion industry, and it's growing. Continual development of new features, the big 6 games including NFL football, MLB baseball, NBA basketball, NHL hockey, college basketball, and college football, soccer, World Cup, Italian Serie A, English Premier League, and the rest of club soccer, Euro champs, and even friendly internationals, and many more. MMA, UFC, Bellator, XFC, 1FC, World Series of Fighting, and all the big leagues. The choice to make a rake percent or set an exchange rate for a virtual currency. You get paid while players play each other. It's that simple. Use WordPress or PHPFOX so you can fully customize your theme to look exactly as you want. This feature alone is worth the monthly fee. An evergreen market that leading financiers are predicting exponential growth over the next 3 years. Grab your seat now. This means that in just a few minutes from now, you could be installing the FanVictor plugin and building your fantasy sports site in minutes, and all for the ridiculously low monthly fee. This is a no-brainer. Grab the FanVictor plugin now while you're thinking about it with our unique turnkey solution for fantasy sports. Just sign up, install the plugin, and configure how you want your site to work. And you'll be glad to know that the FanVictor plugin comes with my personal 100% satisfaction protection promise. That's our 60-day money-back guarantee. All you have to do is shoot me a quick email and I'll immediately refund every cent. So grab your copy of FanVictor plugin now and let's get you started today.